welcome to my YouTube channel. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell to be notified for all my future videos. Vamos a empezar. Welcome back. Okay, so today we're going to do some marble nails using some Modelones pure white, soft pink, and some gold foil. So I already prepped my nails and I am really loving the Perennial 3-in-1 right now, so I'm using that as my base right now. Honestly, you can literally use any base coat you want, so don't even worry about what kind of base coat you use. I'm just personally obsessed with this one right now. I go in, put that on my nails, and I love how I have like 3 stiletto and 2 coffin. So let's see how this comes out. Cure this for 60 seconds, and then I want to do the marble effect, so I'm basically crossing my colors and intertwining them together in such a way where it's not like becoming murky, but you know, like you can clearly differentiate which color is which and where you're trying to, you know, put the colors. So I used rubbing alcohol as my slip, and I am just lightly tapping and moving like the white where I want it to be and the pink where I want it to be until it is perfect. Alright, so when I was fully satisfied with, you know, the way that the polygel was looking, I did not cure. And the only reason why I didn't cure is because I wanted to stick my foil directly into the wet polygel. I got this foil at Amazon, so I will link that down below, but only reason why I'm basically encapsulating this foil is because I've had my moments where I would put it underneath like a top coat, and sometimes it just like starts showing through, or like one time it got like rusty. I don't know why, but I just figured I'd encapsulate it this time and see if there was anything different that happened. So I just did that and it worked out just fine. Only thing is, you know, you have to make sure that you cure a little longer because the polygel under the foil is not getting that direct UV exposure, so you just need to cure that a little longer because I was getting a little bit trouble on that. But so it's pretty much the same process in all of my nails. I am just trying my best to intertwine both colors and making sure that they both show, and then I'm kind of just accenting all my nails with the gold foil, that way it looks like more marble like. So I'm gonna let y'all enjoy the application y después regreso. am loving. Oh my gosh, how these are coming out. At first I was like not too sure, but once they came to put together, I was like, wow, so cute. So I did encapsulate everything because, like I said, I don't want the foil to peek through, and I didn't want it to get, compromised in any type of way. So I went in with some Savvyland Acrylic gel, and it basically feels like a builder gel. So I just used the up and down motion and just really focused on getting it all over my nail. Like, I'm not really too worried about the application. So just encapsulate that, and I'm curing that for 60 seconds, and then I go in and file. Alright, so this is how my nails look when they were done being filed. And I'm just cleaning them off, and I just wanted to go in with some light gems. So I went in, put some top coat, and I went in with some cuticle gems, and I just sped that up for y'all so you can see like the gist of what I was trying to do. Something very, very simple, because I feel like the foil really is the main focus, so I wasn't trying to like overdo it. After I cured that for 60 seconds, look how cute. Oh my gosh, I love it. It's so simple. It didn't take me that long, and it's honestly the easiest thing to do. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you cap that with some cuticle oil, of course. If you want to become a part of the DIY family, then make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell to be notified. And as always, nos vemos en la próxima.